Hey everyone, these are the first proper flights on my freshly tuned 7-inch FPV rig, finally dialed in, smooth, locked, and ready to stretch its legs. Big thanks to CNHL for sponsoring this build with their brand new Lightning HV packs. And huge thanks to HelloRadio for sponsoring the V12 Max Radio. Incredible build quality, premium CNC feel, and rocking a full 1000 milliwatts of ELRS power for a rock-solid link. Sequre sponsored most of the electronics for this build: H743, V2 flight controller, and E70G2ESC stack. The whole setup has been smooth, responsive, and absolutely perfect for a long-range 7-inch build. For power, I'm running two 812-1115 kV motors, giving this rig a great balance of efficiency, cruising smoothness, and plenty of punch when needed. Sequre M10-18 GPS module adds reliable positioning and extra confidence on those longer range flights. Now sit back and enjoy some flight footage with a mix of funky camera angles and no commentary from me. See you in the next one.